Download and install drivers on Windows 10 and 11. When you freshly install Windows 10 or Windows 11, some computer models will have their hardware drivers installed completely. However, on certain versions of Windows, not all drivers will be updated automatically, so we need to manually update those drivers. The usual way is that after installing Windows 10 or Windows 11, we let Windows automatically update the drivers. Unfortunately, in some cases, Windows cannot fully update all drivers, and we are required to update them manually. The method is very simple. Even if you are not familiar with computers, you can still do it after watching this video of mine. Now, let's see how I do it. After copying the first line, open the Google web browser and paste it into the search box. Then, click on the first line of the driver identifier download website. Here, it's best to choose the lines related to the brand of the motherboard in your computer. If you're not sure exactly, you can select any line, but of course, it may take quite some time. The motherboard I'm using is from Asus, so I click on the download button of the line that has Asus on it, and I choose the download link from the official Asus website. Options 1. Click here to download from manufacturer server Asus. Usually, when you download, the file is saved by default in the Downloads folder. You can quickly access it from the top right corner of your web browser. Next, you will need to extract the file you just downloaded. Your computer should have extraction software like WinRAR or WinZip installed. Next, extract this file and run the setup chipset file. Click Next and Accept. Click Install. Successfully done. Thank you for watching the video, and I wish you success. Please leave a comment below the video if you need any support.